In this video, I'm going to show you how to create smooth transitions in CapCut. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the CapCut application, click on Create Project in the top of the window. And now before we can start, we need to import some media to our timeline. So click on Media in the top navigation and select Import, and then just simply upload the videos that you want to import into your timeline. Now, once you have your video footage, you can drag it onto the timeline like this. And we're just going to drag this a few times so we have multiple copies of this footage. So once you have your videos lined up on the timeline, we can now add some transitions. So click on the Transitions tab in the top navigation, and now we just need to select the type of transition that we want to add. I'm going to use the search box and type in blur and hit enter. And the one that I'll be using is this vertical blur, so go and drag that onto your clip like this, and then just press OK. In the right hand side, you can change the duration of this blur to either increase or decrease the time. So now if I play this video clip, you can see we have this smooth transition between clips. You can also decide to click on Apply to All, and that will apply this transition to all of the clips in your project. So you can effectively just go through this list of transitions and add the ones that you want to your videos. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.